You are using Google Chrome for years without cleaning, without optimizing, and expecting your Google Chrome to run faster. If you're expecting like this, definitely it should not work properly. So today in this tutorial, we are going to clean up Google Chrome so that it runs way faster, just like a brand new computer. And here at the top right corner where you see the three dots, we will click on that, and then we will go to settings. Now here in settings, we need to go to this privacy and security first and scroll down. You will find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. This is important. If you have not cleaned up your computer ever, you should do that. It is up to you whether you want to clean cookies, browsing history, and cache or not. Because if you're continuously using it for years, it creates a lot of junk and it makes the browser way slow. So here you can see the cache, images and files, cookies and everything. And I have selected the time range, all time. In your case, it might be in GBs. Do let me know in the comment section how much you had um, the cache in your Google Chrome itself. So I'll click on clean, I'll click on delete. And once this is done, we will go to site settings and we will scroll down and see how many permissions are there. Just check one by one. It should not take much time because accidentally we give so much permissions to so many sites, which is not required. So you can take a look for location, camera, microphone, right? These are the three important things. And once you're done, you need to go to this About Chrome and check the version here. The moment you click on About Chrome, it should start updating your Chrome right away. And it should have a updated Google Chrome. Once you're done, we need to go to this startup. And here you can select the Google as home page. So open a new tab and open a specific page. I would recommend add a new page and just type www.google.com. So we are also making Google as our home page. www.google.com. That's it. It will automatically take HTTP. So now I will close it and now I will reopen it. So it should open the Google right away. Now I'll again click on the three dots and this time we will go to extensions. We are looking for extensions because there might be a possibility we have unknown extensions and many extensions running in the computer which we do not even require. So you can go to the extensions, look one by one, and if you do not require, if you haven't used it, you can simply click on remove, and in this manner, you are optimizing your Google Chrome, and it should definitely run faster. All right. Now, once you're done, click on these three dots and go to settings, and we will go to performance tab. And here, performance issues alert, inactive tab appearance, and memory saver. Chrome free ups memory from inactive tabs. I would recommend to turn it on. All right, and keep it balanced because if you open so many tabs, it uses a lot of computer resources and it slows down your computer and definitely the browser as well. So here in the memory saver, I would recommend to keep it balanced and power energy saver should be turned on. Preload pages, standard preloading is absolutely fine. You can do that. And once you are done with this, you can simply restart your computer or simply just close and reopen it. And do let me know in the comment section whether it's working better or not. Because we have done so many things here, you will have a change in your Google Chrome browser. I'll be glad if you leave a comment and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.